I just feel like I just really want to like move and groove a little.
Hello everyone, we have very exciting news. We don't have a clue today and we're vlogging our intro for Beauty Trippin, as you can see, but it's for a very important reason.
That's right, you guys. I honestly can't freaking believe it, but this little show, Beauty Trippin, is hitting 100 episodes right now.
And to celebrate, we have some special guests who have flown all the way here from the UK.
It's insane.
They're called Go Get Glitter.
Yes,
And,
GGG.
and they're gonna be painting our entire bodies.
You guys, I think I saw some of the work, and it's literally artwork that they did at Coachella. I saw some girls walking around just with like such saturated, beautiful glitter that we could never do ourselves.
And like, have you guys seen like the glitter butts? It's very reminiscent of that. I don't know if you're gonna see our butts, but
you probably are.
gonna see some other things. Okay, well, we're not driving anywhere. We're doing it in the studio, so we're just gonna go.
Let's go.
Okay, bye.
Hi. So excited to meet you both. Double hug. Hello.
Hey, I'm Sarah. I'll double hug too. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys. Hi. Thank you for coming across the
Thanks
pond.
for having us. Are you ready to get glittered?
Obviously from the queens of glitter. Like,
That's us.
I don't know if you guys understand. Like, this is the mecca of glitter. We have reached the pinnacle.
Oh, good. We're so excited. Who's gonna go first?
I don't know.
I don't know. You're hot. So
Yeah, you go first, Lil. Take off your clothes.
Okay. Yeah, I am literally sweating. It's a little.
Usually people are nude when they do this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, usually.
This is not that kind of
We're being
chill.
a bit more
These
modest.
underneath.
Okay,
You all look amazing. You'll feel great by the end of it.
Oh! Take it off.
Okay, so if you stand here, we're gonna start with your top. So we're gonna make it look like you've got like a top on top of your.
You know, like that new trend where it's a top that isn't really a top. It's like a bit of fabric.
I'm gonna nod like I do, but
You'll get it when it's on.
Yeah,
You'll get it.
we are.
So yeah, so it's a water-soluble glue. So the glue will just wash off with just water. Okay. That's the beauty of it.
So this is going to make her really sticky.
It is sticky, but once it dries,
Oh my god.
it's dry.
How did you decide that this was a talent that you wanted to explore?
Oh, great
Well,
question.
We're both makeup artists, and we've like grown up together. And at the beginning, we were like, we went to Ibiza one summer. and we
I
were
love
like,
you're so Spanish the way you say it. Ibiza.
that means you've really been there.
And we saw a bit of people doing glitter, but we were like, there's nothing like that in London. Why don't we try and like do something like that? So we set up an Instagram page, and at the beginning it was just purely like a hobby, and then a lot of people started saying like, how can I recreate this? What have you used? And at the beginning we were using like craft store glitter.
Oh, right. Never done that.
I feel like I'm standing so awkwardly and I don't know what to do with my hands, so I'm just like, okay.
I think people get more like, it's fine. It won't smudge. It's like quite chilled.
What was like the turning point for you guys when you were like, I think this glitter thing's like a thing that's like
Well,
actually happening?
When we received a message, like an email from
From
like,
who?
Urban Outfitters, and for us that was like we
That was our
started
turning
stocking
point.
with
You're like, oh,
them,
we've
and
made it.
We were like, this is now like we want to be a brand that is selling like cosmetic glitter and cosmetic products. So
now
Ladies.
you make this glitter.
yeah, so it's all about like our company is all about being really creative. There's no limit when it comes down to using our products.
Okay, but you guys normally have like naked people. I've seen you, all of us have seen you trending on Instagram. Like you have like glitter butts, glitter bodies. Your Instagram account is amazing.
Oh, thank you. We actually did we did like a glitter swimsuit on them. And everyone we meet is always like, but surely they were wearing knickers. And we were like, no, they weren't. They were literally just naked.
Up close and personal.
You do kind of look like that creature from A Shape of Water.
I haven't seen that yet.
Don't.
I've heard it's
It's a
weird,
beautiful
yeah.
creature.
It's weird.
Guys, I chose green for my color to redeem myself to the green hair community still watching.
Oh, that's
Yeah, but
If you haven't unsubscribed.
Lil,
I was like, am I
so
still being, I feel really awkward. Am I positioned okay?
No, you're great.
Like, move
Can
me
I
how you
just
need.
move you a tiny bit that way? Yeah, because I feel like I'm.
Oh my, this is so.
You guys acted like I just suddenly revealed it, but you've been watching
No, I
this.
couldn't see it come together. It's almost like you guys had stenciled her before, like you knew
Yeah.
exactly where you were gonna draw the line.
They're like, yeah, we did in our minds.
If you had to give a rough estimate, how many bodies have you glittered?
Oh my
I've
God.
literally.
I'd say probably.
Hundreds.
So when you guys like tell your parents or like your family friends or whatever, like older people, what you're doing, are they like, what?
Well,
Oh, they love it.
they love it, yeah.
My mum will message
me
me like,
next.
hey, you're on 3 million million views. I'm like, yeah, I know, I can see.
That's so cool.
Yeah, we had our first video hit 3 million of
That's
like a
huge.
glitter bodysuit on Instagram.
So this might be my favorite episode of all the 100 that we've done.
When people ask what my
many.
favorite one is, I get very like overwhelmed because I'm like, what have we done?
There's just so many things.
It's been like 2 years.
What's the maddest thing you've ever done?
Well, when that woman massaged me with her feet,
With her toes.
I'm still jealous about that.
and
That
it
was
was
pretty
the best
awesome.
massage of my life.
Yes! It feels so good. I mean, there's just so many things we've done. The crystal healer really stands out to me.
You can actually place the crystal up there as
Oh,
your sacred
inside?
space. Yes. I highly recommend putting a crystal in your sacred space.
Did you guys ever do that? Did you take it home and work on it?
Definitely not. Definitely no. I was like, how many other people have touched this rock? No, thank you.
Oh, wait, mermaids.
Oh, mermaids was
mermaids.
great.
Mermaids
This
was
is
the
bringing
top
me
one.
mermaid vibes.
Yes.
How do you feel? Do you feel like a superhuman?
Like a sea creature, but in a very positive way.
Like a mermaid sort of esque, like
Yes.
some family member?
Yes.
I'm sorry, guys. I have to come out of this. This is just too hot for me. Is my boob out? I'm
They're
sorry.
So Clevver.com, which is our website, did an article on you guys, and it freaking blew up.
Yeah,
it
we
was
saw.
our biggest article of the week.
Yeah, it was really popular. It's because people are like, they love to get their body out. I think because glitter boobs were really popular last year and people want to do something a bit different, so now...
And then like you mix like glitter with boobs and butts, everyone's like, yes!
Yeah.
Wow, that looks so awesome.
On your way.
Lil, you
Who's
look
next?
amazing.
You want
Go
me to
for it. Yeah, go
Yeah,
for
I'm
it.
just sweating, so I'd rather go now.
Like, you
You look so cool.
I know, I'm like, heh.
So are you doing similar looks on all three of us?
We're gonna do same style, different colors.
Erin, this looks so great.
I can't see it yet, but I
You look
feel very
great.
like it's channeling the inner merm, little merm.
A little mermaid. That was your rap name. That was DJ.
Oh, yes,
we
yes,
went
yes.
to DJ school. That was
Yes.
the thing that happened.
4, 2, 3, 4. Nice, nice.
And I felt like I had never been more of Little Merm than in that episode,
Until
but
now.
but
Yes.
now Little Merm has taken on a whole new
I would also
identity.
go like not when we like became mermaids.
No, because I wasn't good at holding my breath. It was scary.
It was like upsetting because you weren't feeling like a mermaid.
No, I know, and I
you're like-
should have.
What's the
right,
what
so
your
good.
turn. What color are you getting?
What color am I doing?
pink.
This is very Powerpuff Girls. Yeah, so we're doing all the tops first, right?
then we're gonna go
Then
down.
the bottoms. Is there an age limit? Like, do you have to be like 14 or something to do this?
My grandma's gone viral.
Stop!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
glitter
What did she
butt?
do?
She's
Her
so-
butt?
No, she
We
came.
glitter bar.
We had a pop-up in London and she came to visit and Sophia was like, can we glitter you? And she was like, yeah, okay. And then we uploaded it and everyone's commenting like, oh, this is so cute. I was like,
I'm like coolest grandma ever.
yeah.
That's adorable.
Well, have you seen that baddie Winkle?
Yes.
Baddie
yes.
Winkle.
Baddie
Oh,
Winkle.
Baddie
Winkle.
She's all gold.
Okay, what about the Soch Meets? Like, what about on Instagram? Who's been like your most like, oh my gosh, that person liked my video or my photo or like left a comment?
Beauty,
Paris
reground.
Stop.
Paris Hilton. like
You guys,
that
ugh, Paris Hilton, that's amazing.
stuff.
Nikki Tutorial.
Brandy
Oh, we love
Smith.
Nikki
She
Tutorial.
bought from us though.
She did?
Yeah, she
Love
ordered
her.
our stuff.
I love
She's like
her.
the
Where does she
ultimate
live?
doll.
She lives in the Netherlands.
Yeah, we were so confused. We were like, no, it can't be her because she's American. And then everyone was
No.
like, no, she's not.
What? I didn't know she lived in the
She is
Netherlands.
incredible.
Yeah.
She's so. We tried to like
I was just gonna say, have you
recreate
guys
one of
met
her
her?
looks.
She's amazing.
She was at.
Yeah, we met her.
Well,
Yeah.
Joss and I presented her with her Teen Choice Award.
That's the only time I think I've
She
met her.
Really?
was so tall. You know, we're beauty entrepreneurs as well.
Very
yes,
generous. That's very
very.
generous.
In the history of the show, we've made a few successful. Actually, I haven't been able to find my perfume.
Oh, I have my perfume. Eau d'Urne.
What exactly is musk?
So the musk comes from the deer and the civet cat. And when they get a little sexually aroused,
Frisky.
they make certain secretions.
Why did
And
anyone
how-
think to
why-
do this?
How does one collect said secretion?
That's the question. We're not going to go there right now. But
no. You guys also made lipstick.
Oh yeah,
Prune.
Bite Lip Lab.
Yes,
prune
please,
and
prune.
yes, please prune. Is any of this edible?
Yes, all of our products are edible. It's called Bite because you can actually bite into our lipstick and nothing harmful will happen to you.
I'm dying at how we're both sitting right now. I look like I just like ran a marathon and I'm like recovering, and you're like, hello, I'm in a job interview.
Proper. Are we going home after this?
Well, what do you want to do? Go to brunch?
Okay, finish the top.
Okay.
We're gonna start on your legs and we're gonna like pull it up.
Ooh! It's a little cold, guys.
Oh, I know who I really want to do. Cardi B.
Oh my
I
god,
should
do her
love that.
belly.
Oh, that would be amazing.
Her baby bump would be so cute, covered in glitter. It feels pretty good too. Like I get what you're saying. Like I feel warmer
Yeah,
with it
I
on.
think
This is better. This is more of a full body experience.
Wow. So I'm never gonna be this cool again. What do I do now?
Sit
Like
down
do
so
I?
Aaron can go and we can keep going.
But do I sit? I'm assuming I don't sit.
Yeah.
No, you can sit.
Is my
you haven't
butt
done your
free?
whole bum. Well, yeah, we'll go on the chair a
I
bit,
don't
but
want it
that's.
to get ruined.
I would just stand, maybe.
I'm gonna-
I look
okay.
like a pretty
Yeah.
statue.
You just stand behind them.
You guys, look what we have!
Like real Instagram and YouTube people.
We're finally cool enough.
Guys, we had 100 episodes because of you.
Seriously?
So much.
We would not be employed, would not have jobs, would not be able to make stellar videos like this one without you guys.
Okay, so this is 100 episodes. We need to do 100 more, hopefully, on this
Yeah,
show. So
we're
let us
gonna
know in the
need some
comments
ideas.
if you have any ideas. What should we glitter next?
Or just do in general. But I think what we should do right now, besides thanking all of you guys, is end this with some body rolls.
Body rolls! Always.
Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Glad you've been along for 100 episodes. Now for something new. Clevver has a brand new show called Swap, and if you click here, you can watch Drew go work at Smosh for the whole day, and then Olivia comes to Clevver, and you get to see behind the scenes. So click, click, click.